Your joints are breaking down right now. Every step you take, every time you sit down, every morning when you wake up stiff and in pain, something is being destroyed inside your body, and the medical industry has pills for it, injections for it, surgeries for it. But here is what nobody tells you. The most powerful foods to stop joint damage. They were written about over 3,000 years ago. They were eaten every day in ancient times, by farmers, by warriors, by ordinary people who worked hard with their hands and never complained about knee pain. These foods were not discovered recently. They were already there, in the Bible, in ancient history. And today, we are going to look at 10 of them. Stay until the end, because number 10 is the one most people have never heard of, and it may be the most powerful one of all. Think about this for a moment. People in ancient biblical times had no doctors, no hospitals, no anti-inflammatory drugs, but they moved, they worked, they carried heavy things, they walked miles every day. How did they do it with no medicine? The answer is simple. Their food was their medicine. Everything they ate had a purpose. It was not just for hunger. It was for the body, for healing, for strength. Modern science is now studying these ancient foods, and researchers are finding something surprising. These foods have natural compounds that reduce inflammation, protect cartilage, and help the body rebuild damaged joints. What ancient people knew by experience, science is now confirming with data. So let us start. Here are 10 biblical foods that may help your joints recover, explained clearly and simply. Food number 1, tahini, date paste. Let us begin with one of the oldest food combinations in the Middle East. Tahini, made from ground sesame seeds, and date paste, made from dates that have been eaten since ancient times in the region of Israel and Mesopotamia. So what do they do for your joints? Tahini is packed with calcium. Your bones and joints need calcium to stay strong. But tahini also contains sesamin, a natural compound that has been studied for its ability to reduce joint inflammation. Date paste brings something different. It contains magnesium and natural sugars that help your body absorb the calcium from tahini more effectively. Think of it like this. Calcium is the building material. Magnesium is the worker that carries it to the right place. Together, they make a simple, powerful team for your bones and joints. How to use it. Mix a spoon of tahini with a spoon of date paste. Eat it in the morning. That is it. Food number 2. Seaweed, sesame seeds. Now this one surprises people. Seaweed in the Bible? Actually, ancient coastal communities in the biblical world consumed sea plants regularly, and sesame seeds were one of the most common foods in the ancient Near East. So what makes this combination special for joints? Seaweed contains something called fucoidan, a natural compound found only in sea plants. Modern studies suggest fucoidan may help protect cartilage cells and reduce the breakdown of joint tissue. It is also one of the few plant sources of iodine, which supports your thyroid, and your thyroid controls inflammation throughout your body. Sesame seeds add copper, a mineral that helps produce collagen. Collagen is what your cartilage is made of. Without collagen, your joints wear out faster. So when you eat seaweed with sesame, you are feeding your joints with protection and building material at the same time. Add dried seaweed to a salad and sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Easy, simple, powerful. Food number 3. Kiwi, pumpkin seeds. Here is a combination that works in 2 ways at the same time. Kiwi is one of the richest sources of vitamin C in the fruit world, and vitamin C plays a direct role in collagen production. Your body cannot make collagen without it. No collagen, no healthy cartilage, no healthy joints. But kiwi also contains an enzyme called actinidin, which helps your body digest protein more efficiently. Better protein digestion means better building materials for joint repair. Pumpkin seeds bring zinc to the team. Zinc is essential for tissue repair. Studies show that people with low zinc levels often have more joint pain and slower recovery. Zinc also helps reduce the activity of enzymes that break down cartilage, so it works both ways. It helps build and it helps protect. Eat a kiwi and a small handful of pumpkin seeds as a mid-morning snack. Simple combination. Real benefits. Food number 4. Fenugreek seeds. Warm milk. This one has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine across the ancient world, from Egypt to India to the biblical lands. Fenugreek seeds contain a compound called diosgenin, This compound has been studied for its anti-inflammatory properties specifically related to joint pain and arthritis. In ancient times, people would soak fenugreek seeds overnight and drink the water in the morning, or they would add ground fenugreek to warm milk. Warm milk provides calcium and tryptophan, which helps the body rest and recover. Recovery happens when you sleep, and fenugreek may help you sleep more deeply by calming inflammation. There is something else. Fenugreek contains saponins, natural compounds that may help lubricate joint surfaces. Think of it like natural oil for your joints. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds overnight. In the morning, strain them into warm milk. Add a little honey if you like. Drink it slowly. This is an ancient habit that modern herbalists still recommend today. Before we continue, if you are finding this useful, take 2 seconds right now. Hit the like button and subscribe. We still have 6 more powerful foods coming, including one ancient grain that most people have never heard of that may directly feed your cartilage. You do not want to miss those. Subscribe so you do not lose this video. Now, let us keep going. Food number 5, sardines. Pomegranate seeds. This combination is a joint healing powerhouse. Sardines are one of the most complete foods for joint health that exist. They contain omega-3 fatty acids which reduce inflammation in the joint lining. They contain vitamin D which helps calcium get absorbed into bones, and they contain calcium itself from their tiny edible bones. Sardines were eaten commonly in the ancient Mediterranean world, including in the regions mentioned throughout the Bible. They were cheap, preserved easily, and eaten by everyone. Now add pomegranate seeds. Pomegranates are one of the most mentioned fruits in the Bible, and they are rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that recent studies show may reduce the breakdown of cartilage cells in arthritic joints. One study specifically found that pomegranate extract blocked the enzymes responsible for cartilage destruction. So you have omega-3 to calm the fire of inflammation, and pomegranate to stop the enzyme that tears your cartilage apart. Eat canned sardines with a small bowl of pomegranate seeds. That is a genuinely ancient, genuinely powerful meal for your joints. Food number 6, olive oil, garlic. If there are 2 ingredients that appear more than almost any others in biblical food culture, it is olive oil and garlic, and together, they are one of the most anti-inflammatory food combinations that exist. Olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal. Scientists have found that oleocanthal works in a similar way to ibuprofen, the painkiller. It blocks the same inflammation pathways in your body. Now imagine eating this every day for your whole life instead of taking pills. That is what ancient people did. They cooked with olive oil. They drizzled it on bread. It was everywhere. Garlic adds allicin, the compound that forms when you crush or chop garlic. Allicin is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that has been shown in research to reduce the activity of inflammation causing proteins specifically related to arthritis and joint breakdown. Together, olive oil and garlic calm joint inflammation on 2 separate paths at the same time. Use extra virgin olive oil every day in your cooking. Crush fresh garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to maximize the allicin. This is not just good food, it is medicine in the kitchen. Food number 7, prunes, walnuts. Here is a combination that many people overlook, but the science behind it is very strong. Prunes are dried plums, and they are one of the highest sources of boron in the food world. Boron is a mineral that most people have never heard of, but researchers have found that people who live in areas with very low boron levels in the soil have significantly higher rates of arthritis. Boron helps your body hold on to calcium and magnesium inside the bones. Without it, those minerals leak out, and bones and joints get weaker. Walnuts bring ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. ALA helps reduce the inflammatory chemicals that attack the lining of your joints. Walnuts also contain polyphenols that protect joint cartilage from oxidative damage. In ancient times, prunes were a common preserved fruit eaten through winter months. Walnuts were gathered in autumn and stored. This was everyday food. Eat 4 to 5 prunes and a small handful of walnuts as an afternoon snack. Simple, no preparation needed. Strong effect over time. Food number 8, kiwi. Pumpkin seeds. We mentioned kiwi and pumpkin seeds earlier, but there is more to understand about how they work together and why the timing matters. When you eat kiwi in the morning on an empty stomach, the actinidin enzyme works at its highest efficiency. It breaks down protein from the meals that follow, and that broken down protein becomes the raw material for collagen synthesis. So kiwi in the morning is not just a snack, it is preparing your body to rebuild. Pumpkin seeds eaten an hour before bed are different. At night, your body goes into repair mode. This is when cartilage rebuilding and tissue healing happen. Zinc from pumpkin seeds is directly used during this repair window. So the same two foods, eaten at different times, serve two completely different purposes. Morning kiwi prepares the factory. Evening pumpkin seeds delivers the materials when the factory is running. This is how ancient people thought about food, not just what to eat, but when. Food number 9, tart cherry, kefir. This combination connects two things that modern medicine is only recently beginning to understand as linked: the gut and the joints. Researchers have found that the health of your gut microbiome directly affects joint inflammation. When your gut is unhealthy, your body produces more inflammatory signals. Those signals travel to your joints and accelerate damage. Kefir is a fermented milk drink. It is rich in probiotics, the good bacteria that keep your gut healthy. When your gut bacteria are balanced, inflammation throughout the body goes down, including in your joints. Tart cherries contain the highest known concentration of anthocyanins in the fruit world. These compounds directly reduce uric acid levels, the main cause of gout, and one major trigger of joint inflammation. Studies on athletes and arthritis patients both show that tart cherry reduces post-exercise joint pain and morning stiffness. Drink a small glass of tart cherry juice and follow it with a cup of plain kefir, or mix them together if you prefer. This is a combination that heals the joint from the inside through the gut. Food number 10, amaranth porridge, ground flax seed. And here it is. Number 10, the one most people have never heard of, and the one that may be quietly the most powerful of all. Amaranth is an ancient grain that was eaten for thousands of years across the ancient world. It contains something most grains do not: complete protein, meaning it has all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair tissue. It also contains squalene, a natural compound found in amaranth oil that has anti-inflammatory properties, and it is rich in lysine, an amino acid that plays a direct role in collagen synthesis. Without enough lysine, your body cannot produce collagen efficiently. No collagen, no cartilage, no healthy joints. Ground flax seed adds ALA omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, plant compounds that reduce inflammation specifically in connective tissue, which is exactly what cartilage is. Together, amaranth and flaxseed give your body the protein, the amino acids, and the anti-inflammatory compounds needed to literally rebuild the soft tissue in your joints. Cook amaranth like porridge. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Add a little honey and cinnamon if you like. Eat it 3 times a week. Give it 4 to 6 weeks, and pay attention to how your joints feel. Think about your great-grandparents, or the generation before them. They did not go to the doctor for joint pain every month. They did not have shelves of supplements. They did not know about anti-inflammatory diets. But many of them moved well into old age. They kept walking. They kept working. They were not perfect, but their food was real. It came from the earth. It was simple. It was natural. It was close to what people in ancient times, including the people of the Bible, ate every day. We are not saying food replaces medicine. If you have a serious joint condition, always speak to your doctor. But we are saying, do not underestimate what you put on your plate, because the earth was designed to heal the body, and humans, for thousands of years, knew exactly how to use it. These 10 foods are not magic. They will not fix everything overnight, but they are real. The science behind them is real, and the history behind them is thousands of years deep. Start with 1 or 2. Be consistent. Be patient. Your joints did not break down in one day. They will not heal in one day. But every real food you eat is a step in the right direction. If this video helped you, or made you think differently about food and healing, please subscribe to this channel. We share this kind of deep, simple, real knowledge every week. And if you have a parent or a friend who struggles with joint pain, share this video with them. It might be exactly what they needed to hear today. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. That means you are serious about your health, and that is something to be proud of.